I might as well just stay on for like 45 minutes, then leave instead of being absent for 45 minutes. I think, you know. All right, all right. Yeah, GJ, right? Analysis was perfect, but the entry was after the stream. Yeah, again. Yeah, it happened like 9 o'clock. So no entry. Mm, that's it. That's it. I'll show you my screen quickly if you let me. Very similar to, I think it was, I don't know if it was Wednesday or Tuesday. It's done the exact same thing again. I'll show you now. See, if I go back quickly to, which day was it? Yeah, it was this day here, literally. Wednesday, maybe Tuesday, the same thing happened. No, Tuesday didn't. Look at Wednesday. Wednesday, we said liquidity grab towards the downside and probably a push up to the premium. Morning, new, what are you saying? What you mean early? Yeah, yeah, Wednesday we said liquidity grab towards the downside into this area, then a push up into the premium. Got that exact section. And now if we go to Thursday, look at what happened. I'm gonna highlight it, it's obvious. Literally, look how similar this is. Can they see it on your screen? Liquidity grab, push down, push up. Liquidity grab, push down, push up. It gave the entry after the stream. That's the only issue. Like 9 o'clock. I think I was at uni then, so yeah, bitch. Mm. You had a Bitcoin trade, didn't you? Mm. Oh, you didn't enter it. Oh, your output probably isn't on. Your media input probably is on, not
There
output.
we go, there we go. That should be better. Thank you for letting me know, man.
There we go.
Is
I
that better?
appreciate that, new. I appreciate that.
Is that better? Is that better? I would have been talking all day without any signs.
Okay, you would have sounded like you're talking to yourself, bro.
Yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so let's go back on gold. Just do a quick rewind there. A really
Wait,
quick
so did
one.
you not enter Bitcoin or was it gold you didn't?
I didn't enter Bitcoin though. I was
All
completely,
right.
yeah, completely transparent with Bitcoin there. So yeah, so we were taking sells here as, you know, buy side was taken up here and a liquidity tab was taken over here. Stop loss was above this level. Entry was around here. You can see that price slowly pushed down here. At this point, when it reached the sell side liquidity, like short-term sell side liquidity, I moved stops to break even, and you can see that it rallied up against me before the CPI meeting, and we had a huge spike to the downside. At that point, honestly, you know, it sucks that I didn't get to secure any of these, but it's fine. It happens. Trading is a uncertainty at the end of the day. And then it's a good thing that I did though, because look at this. The literally next hour, what happened was it finished back inside sell side liquidity. So this could be classed as a fake out, really, for you know, for price to continue to rally to the upside. As I said earlier, we could expect price to go up to 1700 first, and then 1730 at the end of this. So yeah. Morning, EJ. Are you gonna stay here?
Yeah.
Okay. My brother's staying with me now. As for crypto Bitcoin over here, you can see I call this on the group. As soon as this level has been broken, I look to enter. It was more of a breakout trade, but we were at the top, so I didn't think it was a breakout trade, really. I don't know. I don't know. It's up to you. It's up to you if I took a breakout trade or not. But yeah, so yeah, we took sells down here, and at this point, we moved to break even. As it was a trade at the end of the week, we didn't really want like anything to do with it. I didn't want anything to do with it. It was my profit split day, so I didn't actually enter it. You know, I was completely transparent. With the group, I said I'm not entering it. If you guys want to, go ahead. And then yeah, so by the time it reached this level on the 4-hour level over here, I said move to break even and close profits anywhere they want to. It's up to them. Yeah, luckily we did, because look at that, it rallied straight to break even. So yeah. And oil, actually, since it's a hot topic at the moment for us, oil has bounced off exactly at the level I put on the stream. Here we go. So great stuff. I didn't enter it because there was no confirmations or anything. It was just CPI news that really pushed it up, but you know, whatever. Just it just shows technical lines up with fundamentals. Pretty good. But yeah, when I want London to sell all the yen pairs today, I feel like the selling might happen during New York. Maybe. I'm not too sure though. As you can see, what my prediction is for GJ here is to take this. Basically, you can see where we at right now in terms of the 12-hour time frame. We are at, like, you know, long-term range here. What we've done recently is just take sell side liquidity, like, you know, just here, and now what we could potentially expect is take buy side liquidity for price to push down, potentially next week, potentially this week. But yeah, that's the plan. That is the plan.
Yeah, that GJ grab was obvious. Like after
Yes.
that 26 September week,
Yeah.
that rejection and then straight push up is obvious. It's like we're definitely taking these highs out.
Yeah. I think people making too much money from Forex at the moment, it's making too easy because like right now they're just deliberate. Look at this. They're like literally faking everyone out right now. Here as well, faking everyone out. Pound Aussie dollar, I guess. If this
what are you on about? Are you on about?
Like all the pairs are getting faked out.
Oh, what on the higher time frame?
Yeah. Even on high, normally it only happens in a lower time frame, but right now it's happening in the higher time frame as well.
Are there that many swing traders though?
What? EJ, you there?
I think most people are scalpers nowadays, intraday traders.
Yeah, true.
I wouldn't say there's too many swingers.
Nah, I'm looking at Euro JPY.
Alright, shall I do a test breakout trade on
Oh, look at that. I would have. See, luckily I took 10 pips out there. Luckily I hit TP1. Look at that.
On what?
I'll show you my screen. I forgot I wasn't showing my screen. This was a joke trade from like we were talking about like people in signal groups. Luckily I took take profit one. Take profit one, bro.
What the hell is this, bro?
If I didn't take TP1 there, I'd be back at where I was losing loads of money.
I have no idea what I'm witnessing here. I don't know what you're doing.
Check the monthly. Yeah. Oh, it's in a very crucial area here. That level could get rejected. It's the most significant level though. Is this more significant? I feel like this is more significant, but...
Alright, we're getting liquidity grab on GBPJPY.
No, I definitely think sell off long term over here. Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see if it does the same thing as Thursday and Wednesday. No, what do you reckon? Do you reckon we're going to get it 3 times in a row? Push to the downside and then push upwards. What do you reckon? I'm not the only one who's seeing the pattern here, am I?
Guys, there's a void here. There's a void.
Is that 1 minute?
No, 1 month. There's a void.
Oh, this is EJ.
There's a void, guys. That's it. Here's what we're expecting. Here's what we're expecting.
It's got to get filled.
There we go.
That's the funny thing is, you've drawn it tapping into another void.
Oh, did I? Oh, yeah. Well,
it probably lines up with something else.
The void's here, isn't it? Yeah. Not close enough, but yeah. That's what's going to happen there. No, I do, yeah. A potential sell-off here. To at least, like, if it does break this level, and does actually reject this level, we could expect a push to the downside to retest this level at the very least.
Bro, I've been up since 4 AM. Can you believe it? Doing this.
He's doing work, man. This guy's doing work.
Basically, I had a decision to make yesterday. It was like, I think it was 11 PM. I was like, do I get some sleep and wake up tomorrow morning, or do I do it now and potentially get no sleep? If you do it in the morning, I feel like you got a time limit, so you're gonna end up doing it. But at night, I could have been there like 5 hours just trying to get it done.
Why do I have so many horizontal lines? Am I good?
This is crazy.
This is for my back test actually. I don't know why it's on my current.
Oh no, what's this? I'm getting flashbacks, bro. Why you got so many lines on your screen?
That's what I mean.
Jesus.
That's what I mean.
Ganesh.
Bro.
What's going on?
What the heck is this? Okay, so that one isn't. It's these ones then. There we go. And then hide that. There we go.
Very smart.
There it is.
Have you ever accidentally deleted everything? Your back test or not?
No. So my back test, well, my...
No, but like, have you ever clicked delete all and you just...
Nah, never. Control Z, isn't it?
That's true. That's true.
There's my back test, lads. You're welcome.
That's it, the lines. That is your back That's the back test done.
It shows I'm currently right here in terms of my back test. I was here, and then look how much my progress. But then again, I'm back testing on a daily time frame. Can I just be clear with that right now? That's on a daily time frame. It's not that much data point that I've been through. I'm moving it along, so like I'm gonna start with the daily, go down to the 4 hour, and then go to the 1 hour, and then so on and so forth.
Oh, say, can you see?
Let's get new some friends, man. Let's plug it on.
Her life. Yeah, I'll do it too. Which one? Which chat are you doing?
I'm going on cold.
Okay, I'll do it. So
Check out my losing trades. So you can get your anger
live
out.
on YouTube again. I'm going to keep plugging until you join.
Check out my losing trade so you can get your anger out when you're losing. If you are losing, lol. There you go.
What's our YouTube link? Like, you know, if I just type youtube.com/ do I just put what's the full thing? Enigma Trading Group.
What's this?
Let me just check.
For our what? YouTube or
I'm being a lazy fuck.
Instagram or which one?
That doesn't matter.
Enigma Trading Group. It's my final
I'm
answer.
just wondering if we put youtube.com/ Enigma Trading Group, will it take them straight to it?
Yeah, I should.
Or it won't take it to another channel with it. No, there's some next level barcode.
Oh, is there?
I'm sure it's still there. Now you're thinking about it. Lol, losing ain't gonna get you followers. Yeah, you say that, Nu. You say that, mate. I lost the other day on stream, and guess what? I gained 3 subscribers.
Yeah.
And the day I won, we got none. So I was like, wait, hold on. What's going on here?
Maybe we should start losing then. Nah.
What is going on here?
I don't. Yeah, no. It's. I think if you show your losses though, like I think it does definitely. As you said, if you just show your losses, it just shows exactly how untransparent you are. Obviously, you have to win more than you lose. That's basic 101, right? But,
I think the main way is the Instagram Reels. To be honest, you know what Reels are, don't you?
yeah.
It's basically once we get more frequent trades on stream, and every time you can make a clip of it, that gets loads of views on Insta.
It does.
Like,
it does.
We pretty much recently started our profile, and we get minimum 200 of 200 a video.
It's crazy actually. Instagram.
Compare that to YouTube. Compare it to YouTube. It's crazy.
I don't think you can grow purely streaming. You need to grow another platform elsewhere.
No way. Maybe before you could have, but now there's no way.
Yeah, it's good though. Although if I want to be taken professionally in the professional scene, if I want to being taken properly in the professional forex scene, I have to stop making fun of myself here. Losing trades. No, I'm joking. I don't care. I don't care.
No, that is true. I think if you keep taking the piss out of yourself too much, it's so bad.
Nah, I have got enough confidence to not care.
The image. Not for yourself. I mean, for how they see the group.
Screw them.
I know we can handle taking the piss out of ourselves.
Don't need them, bro. Don't need them. Also, I voice cracked there, so it's not good. Not a good start.
Someone said thanks. I said live on YouTube again.
Someone said
fuck's sake. Bro, I said live on YouTube again. I'm going to keep plugging until you subscribe. This guy replies, he says, thanks. Added to ignored list.
Nice. Love that.
Jesus, bro.
Love that. That's fine. I bet he still clicked on it. I bet he's
that other person watching right now.
Still.
Dickhead. I don't need you, artist.
He still clicked on it, I bet you.
Dislike the page. We don't care.
Oh, well, relax. This is my stream, bro. If it was your stream,
definitely
go ahead.
Go
ahead, man.
It's not even my turn.
If it's your turn, dislike the bloody thing, but it's my turn. The heck? He's praying for my downfall, man. What happened to the group? Okay, for gold right now, I'm expecting it to rally from here. You can see how much of a fake out happened here. This is not a sell side liquidity or buy side anymore, so we just remove that. Overall, this is the buy side and sell side now. We're looking at the hour time frame. This is the big boy time frame, guys. So as for gold, this is what we're expecting, right? So you can just see how we're moving. We're just consolidating in this area, and when we're consolidating or rotating, what's happening? We're building up orders, okay? This is a high volume area. And you can see what happened in the high volume area. We collapsed back down, and what happened? Buyers were willing to absorb that huge selling pressure from CPI. What does that mean? We could potentially have loads of buyers like sitting around here waiting, right, for major moves to push to the upside. First target, I would say, is probably 1700. Second target is 1727. I would be a little bit careful taking buys though, because overall the trend is currently bearish. And even on the higher time frame, so I'd be a little bit careful. This is just a short-term like buying opportunity for me. Overall, I am looking to sell all the way down to 1620, something around those lines. But yeah, you can see my overall take profit here. So for now, I think we're gonna push bullish for now.
All right. Potential GJ buys coming up.
Do you want to share? You want to show
We
your
might
screen?
finally get an entry on stream.
You want to show your screen?
Stuff. Yeah, hang on.
Finally, you make it sound like we've never had an entry. We've had 2, 3,
I've
4,
literally
5.
had 2 this month. 3 this
Yeah,
month.
true. I've had like 2 trades.
I'm
this
meant
month.
to be a scalper. What is this, man? What's going on?
Yeah, what's everyone's like? What's it called? Like hit rate at the moment? Not hit rate, but how often do you guys get triggered into your trades, or not often at all? Currently,
I think
This
at
for-
least when I do get entries on smart money, sorry to cut you off.
that's alright.
Since I changed to the fair value gap instead of the actual order block, I started getting way more entries. In terms of like when it actually does give me one. When I use the order block, you get loads of missed entries.
Yeah, who else is watching, man? Introduce yourself. Say hi to Nu. Nu needs friends. You can't just be the only one typing, guys. Please.
Sharon, yeah?
Yeah,
So we
Sharon.
grab liquidity, obviously. As soon as we push down here, right? There were some traders who thought, you know what, I'm going to sell. I'm going to place my stop loss above here. I'm going to target 10 pips. Well, you all know who I'm talking about. Maybe 20 pips stop loss. I don't know what they did here. But they just got stopped out. So now, price is going to come back downwards. We tapped into the 15-minute area already, I'm looking for. This grey zone here. Now, once price comes into the discount of this range here, I'll be looking to enter once we get, you know, a nice reaction. Once we get a little rejection, I'll be looking to enter. Just not off any random candle though. I will be looking for a nice candle on the 5-minute time frame probably. Once we get a rejection, I'll be looking to enter. Stop loss below, probably somewhere around 10 pips. Who knows? Target 1 to 2.
We don't know. We don't know stop loss yet because we use the low of the candle. Well,
Yeah.
Adil uses the low of the candle. I don't. But yeah, as you can see, also we've grabbed
Fixed
liquidity. I'm
Stop
not sure.
losses would be silly.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you said it as well. But yeah, look, we already grabbed liquidity to start off with. So we know we have fuel for this next move coming up, right? That's what liquidity is. Basically fuel for the market. And then we also tapped into this zone where, quote unquote, smart money or algorithms are looking to generate some sort of liquidity, or where the move started off with, basically. All right, so we have major confluences over here, and if you're a support resistance trader, if it gets supported over here, then there you go, another confluence for your side. Push price.
And obviously, if you look towards the top side, clear resistance here too. So if you're not a scalper, you're waiting for this area here to get tapped. The price is attracted towards that.
Yep.
And last of all,
better
structure. Look at what's happened. What's this? Yeah. Complex retracement. This has happened for the past 2 days.
If you're a flag
what
trader,
are the chances it's going to happen again?
Yeah.
You know, pretty good.
If you're a pattern trader as well, look at that. So you have your bullish leg.
Oh, we got a wedge.
You have your bullish leg, yeah. And then look at that. You have a a bullish flag, I think it's called. A bearish flag, I'm not too sure. And then yeah, you can push price to the upside. Look how many strategies we lined up here in one, guys.
See that?
You're
like we've
welcome.
got all the infinity stones in my hand right now. You see this hand? It's a small hand. The infinity stones are there.
Yeah. Nah, there you go then. Oh, it's a good.
But we need like a prop, don't we? Whenever all of them line up, just pull something out. Like, look, you see this?
Hold on, my brother has one. Hold on, my little
the
brother
Enigma glove.
hold on a second, I'll get it. Okay, I'll get it, man. I'll get my one. I've got one.
Pull out the infinity.
Yeah, I've got one.
stone.
I've got one. 1 second. 1 second.
Oh wait, you got an actual one?
Yeah, yeah. Let me just hide my. Which one is it? That one, I think. No, not that one. That one. Be right back.
Oh no. See the work we put in to get this, to get the glove. GG. Yeah, that's it, man. I noticed this ages ago. Like, I don't know if you ever noticed, Nu. If you look at Monday and Tuesday, Tuesday is always like a mirror image of Monday. Almost always. In terms of like, you know, around London Open. Have you ever looked at that? In terms of the pattern structure, how it breaks. If you look at, it happens throughout the week, right? I've noticed that Tuesday and Monday are normally much more similar. And as the week goes on, the same thing sort of happens, but it tends to get a little bit more distorted as you get to Friday. I know, man. It's Bro, don't even tell me. Look at this. Where's it gone? I've had the perfect analysis. It just doesn't give me money.
Alright, guys, so here you go. I'll turn on my thing as well. Here you go. So this is smart money concept. I don't know if you can see it. I'd look at the stream.
I can't see it. I can't see it.
Hold on. Yeah, look at the stream. This is smart money concept. This is pattern trading. What else? What's the other strategies we got in there? Support resistance. And we have liquidity, I guess. And then this one is just putting all together. There you go. We have it all together, guys.
Oh my god.
By the way, I ran all the way downstairs.
You need to keep that next to you now, bro.
I ran all the way downstairs for that joke, so appreciate it.
Like the stream, guys. Just for the effort we put into it.
I'm out of breath. I don't walk far, man. I don't run. Gave you what else? GJ doing the same stuff that never noticed that. Yeah.
But if I was holding them trades, I would have doubled my account this week alone. Yeah, crazy stuff.
No, right now markets are moving, as in really.
Yeah. These are the weeks you wait for, innit? Like if there's months throughout the year where you have slow ones, maybe losing ones.
December,
not
for
that
example.
many losing ones, but I'm just saying these are the weeks you want.
Yeah.
Maybe you've got 1% weeks, 2% weeks, 3%. Then there's always these weeks that come along.
Yeah, for sure.
I guess they're just more crazy than everything else.
December's
That's where the consistency comes in.
The burn months, except for December, does seem to be quite volatile, just because of all the news. The end of year news, the end of quarter news.
Yeah.
Everything just seems to be out there, so I think that's why it's been a bit thing. Also, for anyone who trades pound, be careful. Today, I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure. I think Liz actually backtracked from this, but I'm pretty sure they are going to announce whether they are going to go ahead with the 45% tax cut or not. Which, if they do, expect pound to collapse today. If they don't, I don't know whether it's actually going to recover or not. I reckon it'll just stay neutral. But yeah, so basically, if they do a tax cut, the point is they will have to pay up those tax cut, and because they're not actually decreasing the amount of money they're spending, so government spending, technically they are going to use up a lot of money. So they have to borrow a lot of money in a time where they don't actually have enough, they really shouldn't borrow any more money just due to furlough. So just be careful with that, because it could be the end of the pound. And I would start buying up some dollar if I were you, if you live in the UK. Or some euro. If you're in a country not the US, then you're kind of screwed, honestly.
Oh. Wow.
Dollar seems to be
candle,
flying.
the pound should be. Oh, here we go. There we go.
50-50 strat. It's not 50-50, bro. It's 100. It's a 60% win rate. I'm telling you. Actually, right now it's 100%. Because
you might as well predict the monthly candle, bro. 10 pip stop loss.
I'll do that. I'll do that, bro. Have you not entered?
What?
It didn't really tap into the premium, did it?
GJ just it's fine.
Yeah, you tap into premium.
Like I said, I'm not angry. It's fine.
Look at that missed entry again. It's not a missed entry.
It should come back. It's still got liquidity. I think probably the point at which I'll stop looking for the trade is if we start probably tap into this area here. If you can still see my screen.
I can see it.
This area, then at that point I'll probably stop. Because at that point, the move I wanted, which was this, has gone. Yeah, we've still got this liquidity here. But, there's liquidity here. I know people are triggered in. What's the chances that price is this? Still there.
So
it's a Friday.
Is this liquidity because it's a temporary high?
Scalpers, innit?
Right.
Stop losses and scalpers were still up on the high. So if you sold right now, there's loads of people who had their stop loss here. Think about 6:40 to now. That's nearly an hour. Imagine how many sales people took within this hour.
Right, that's how it works. Ask
yourself, if they're taking sales, their idea is that structure's going to continue, so their stop loss is here.
Right, okay.
And obviously buyers are waiting for...
By the way, where's Jack Jill been? He took my gold trade, ran with it, never came back. The heck?
Yeah, I don't know where Jack Jill
Maybe
he's the other guy watching.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Took my 10% gold trade and ran. He took the money and ran, bro. I think he did subscribe though, so that's a W.
Yeah. There was one guy who was watching the whole stream. Then at the end, I won, and he said,
Thank you.
"Oh, nice stream," and then he
Thanks.
subscribed,
Yeah.
and that was it.
Mm.
I don't know where he's at.
Where's the other guy? I know. Yeah, the other guy, the guy when we started. I forgot his name now.
I think he's on about Life Master, something like that.
Something like that.
Life Master.
The McDonald's guy. Oh, the one that called. Yeah, the one that called it. That I said I was gonna go broke and go to McDonald's. I think he was joking. I don't know. I think it might have been Life Master.
Oh yeah, I think you were talking about a certain strategy. He was like, "Nah, bro."
Yeah, I think it was a call it 50-50 coin flip or something, or like no.
You ain't about it, bro.
Or I said I was about to blow an FTMO account on this, and he was like, which by the way, if I blew an FTMO account on that, it would have worked out, and I'd be chilling right now. By the way, just to let you guys know. But yeah. Because I would have taken as soon as that CPI dropped, bro. Oh my goodness, closed straight away, closed profits. That was unsustainable selling. This is where look at this, pattern traders get absolutely destroyed.
I mean, who's really trading? How many people are trading that then? How many people are doing the patterns on the 1 minute?
Trading View people, where you at? Come on now, go be honest. Who doesn't trade pattern here?
Well,
Bro, everyone trades pattern in thingy, man. No,
I know they do. I'm saying on the 1 minute, are there really that many people?
Oh right, yeah. No,
maybe 15 minute.
Yeah, I think they look at the top down. At this point, here they're looking at buys. Then everyone's looking at buys here, aren't they?
Yeah.
They got buy stops for sure. Buy stops up there and there.
Give it 5 years. All these new kids, the ones with no attention span,
SMC.
they're gonna be on the 1 minute, bro.
SMC, bro.
They're all gonna be on the 1 minute. Like, oh my god, a triangle! I'm trading the triangle.
They're all SMC, bro.
I think 5 years.
In like 3-4 years, everyone's gonna be.
That's true,
SMC.
actually.
Which by that point,
they'll be here, bro. They'll be here like order block.
Order block.
What? Order block?
This is where the bank.
An impulsive move. What?
I think banks would just be leaving order blocks everywhere. Everywhere.
They already do. They already.
Nah, as in like literally just like after every move, order block.
Literally every single.
You only get one move a month that makes you money, and the rest are just there to tap you out. We make us sound like old. Oh, back in my day in trading, it's only been 4 years, really.
Back in my day, I remember.
Back in my day,
I remember.
It was all about
ICT.
Monty. It was all about Monty. It's all about Raja back in my day, but now, oh.
I remember when Michael started selling his courses. Frown upon it. I do. Why you take entry on the break of the candle high? Just extra, like I don't know, confidence.
Yeah, extra confluence.
It's just like I experienced too many literally 5-second stop loss hits in smart money, and I was like, yeah, I could do this. I could have a 40% win rate and get 1 to 5s, but do I want that? Especially if I'm going to be streaming, and for my sanity, do I want to get stopped out 60% of the time? No.
I mean, technically,
I want to be good at what I do.
Yeah.
And I think if you got a 40% win rate, yeah, okay, you're making money. You might be making money, but 40% win rate. Do you want to? I feel like. How can I word it properly? It wouldn't make me feel proud if I had a 40% win rate. I want something that makes me feel proud, so I want a higher win rate. That's just the way the candle high. It's just a way of doing that.
Like technically, you're waiting for a break of structure to some extent because you're waiting for the candle high. That's basically what you're waiting for. Like there.
Oh yeah, in terms of why it works.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why.
You're waiting for an extra confirmation. If you go on the smaller time frames, it's just another high, isn't it? But yeah.
He just, as he said, like on his video, which by the way I would definitely recommend watching his how I trade video. It's really good.
Oh yeah, you have to join the Discord for that one.
Just a little plug. No,
plug.
No, it's
in the description.
He does show it step by step of why he does things and what he does and then why he does it. It's a very very good video, to be fair.
To be fair, I don't know if I explained the candle high thing like just now. I think I said I wait for the candle high.
But you didn't explain it. I don't think
I explained. I think I assumed it was obvious. But I guess it's not really.
No, you just said it. You're trying to stack things onto your favor. That's why. And it basically, by doing that, you get extra confluence.
I guess.
So it kind of explains it.
You're buying GJ, but I'm looking for sells on EJ. Maybe not a good idea for. Oh no, bro! You sound like you've been trading longer than me. Maybe it's not a good idea for me buying GJ.
Yeah, maybe you're screwing us up.
Maybe I should be dipping out of this field.
Well, if you look at EJ and how they're moving, because obviously he is in a very, very, very low time frame here. Okay, so his move really won't dictate yours at all. I don't think. EJ, because I think GJ overall is a sell long term as well. All right. Overall, we're looking at selling G. Well, I'm selling GJ, so that would probably line up with EJ as well.
Well, let's see.
Well, both currencies are weak right now, so.
Yeah. I mean, it looks very different, doesn't it?
It does look very different. Look at the
Actually, you know what?
Press the add button over there on the left.
Doesn't really.
No, put the you know that hold on, it's this one right here.
Oh, click you mean just get another chart on screen?
No. I mean, it'll be easier if you just click on that and then put GBPJPY. It won't be a candle. It'll be a same scale. Yeah, there you go.
Oh man, I've never done that. That's pretty sick.
There you go. There's that's how I trade with Confluence and.
I guess it is pretty similar.
So yeah.
No, you know what I want to try then?
It is quite similar.
You know what I'm gonna try now?
Are you gonna add more?
No, guess which pair I'm gonna look at now.
Oh, GPUSD. Oh, bro, they're gonna be the same. They're gonna be the same.
Boys.
Yeah, they're gonna be the same.
What the fuck is this?
Yeah, look at that. So the movement is literally the same, just at a lower price.
Why the fuck's EJ still on there?
No, GJ still. There you go. There you go. Yeah.
Boys.
You see how similar the movement is.
Look at it. Just bro, if you're selling GJ, just sell GU as well. You might as well.
And then
it's not even just London session. It's every.
No, yeah, it literally is. Yeah. Look, same peaks, same highs, and everything. But
what the hell?
I mean, they're both stacked against Safe Haven. So.
You mean
Safe Haven currency?
Oh yeah, JPY. And
JPY and USD. They're both Safe Haven currencies. So I guess they're having a similar effect, especially in a time of losing faith. If you're losing your faith in a currency, where would you put it? In either US dollar or JPY. So.
I think I might actually add this as a confidence. I might do like if I'm buying GJ, literally buy GU. Just have a set stop loss like 10 pips, 15 pips. Take profit out. I don't know. Maybe a negative risk reward if you really want. But...
Yeah, it doesn't always line up, but yeah, right now they do.
That's what I mean. Yeah, you'd have to go back like months and months
to really know when.
Yeah.
Right now, yeah. Right now they probably work.
Crazy correlation.
Correlation, yeah. Probably 100% correlation, 99% correlation at this point. To be honest, it's pretty mad. So we have a head and shoulder now. I'm telling you, bro. Big banks trade head and shoulders, man. I'm telling you. We have the Patrick Star confirmation.
You just made that up on the spot.
No, it's a Patrick the Star confirmation, bro. Look at that. You guys,
is that an original idea?
It's a new wave, bro. Patrick so at this point, what we're gonna happen is we're gonna push down to his whatever this part of his body is, and then push up above his head. You guys, what do you guys know about Patrick the Star confirmations, bro? What do you guys know about that?
What do you guys know?
Buy my course.
Like, for the SpongeBob one, you need the course.
I don't have the course, bro. I don't have a course, guys. By the way,
you have to join the course to get the SpongeBob one.
Yeah, join my Discord. Yeah, for the SpongeBob reveal. Yeah, or the Sandy Cheeks reveal. You guys don't even know. Squidward. This is Squidward nose. Squidward nose dive. That's what it is.
Squidward.
There you go. That should be our playbook right there.
Oh, what?
SpongeBob
Sandy.
Characters. Sandy. Yeah, Sandy. SpongeBob characters. Who cares about celery, onion, and tofu? I don't know, bro. But...
Celery plate. We got a celery plate. I think I got a good invitation. We got 10 pips right now.
No, you don't. No, you don't.
No. You can probably do a better one than me.
Probably if I speak to my brother or something.
Yeah.
South American anyway.
He's got a tricky accent. It's like, I don't know. I've never heard his type of accent before.
It's just Canadian.
Oh yeah.
Canadian. That wasn't Canadian accent, by the way.
No, it's the Canadian blood, isn't it? Roger Banks, saying that he wasn't born in
No, he was
Canada.
not. No, he
I
was
don't know,
not.
just living in Canada, you know.
Makes you a great trader. So if you want to be a great trader, move to Canada.
Yeah. Everyone always says Canada's a nice
Yeah.
place.
Or if you want to be a real trader, move to Thailand. Sell courses, £50 courses. Move to Thailand, and then you're set.
Yeah.
That's what everyone does for some reason. For some reason, that's what everyone does, man. Move to Thailand. I don't know what it is. I mean, I want to go to Thailand
think
and
it
live
was,
there for a bit, but like,
I think it was that book, 4 Hour Work Week, had a massive effect. Basically, in
forever.
that book, you've heard of the book, haven't you? 4 Hour
Yeah.
Work Week.
That's my
It's
plan, but not Thailand. Where you going,
yeah.
man? No, let's do a meet, bro. Imagine we do a meetup with New, bro. Go to a different country, do a meetup. I plan to travel at some point.
Where
but
to,
yeah.
no?
But out of UK. Oh, yeah. Where you going, man? Is it
I want to move to Dubai one day, just to live there.
Dubai?
I think it'd be amazing. Yes. See, me and
Yeah.
New, bro. This guy is me in the future. I don't know.
Japan would be a good one, I feel like.
Is it? Isn't
Yeah.
it like
Philippines is a good place to retire at, by the way.
Isn't it really
Cheap.
authoritarian there or not? Japan.
Is it what, militarian?
Authoritarian. Like,
Authoritarian, probably.
I wouldn't know. I've never been there.
Probably with their people. I don't know.
Thailand if I was still single. Oh, okay. I see.
I wouldn't go to Thailand if you were still single. I can't lie. It's a bit sketchy. It's a bit.
Yeah.
It's a bit iffy there, bro. No, but yeah, like Philippines is a good one to retire on. Just to plug in my own country. Although there is tax, so yeah, gotta deal with that.
Yeah, well, Dubai, I think personal. There's no taxes there. I think it's just your business. From what I've heard, I might be wrong on that.
So, New, why would you want to travel? So, here's I want to hear your perspective on it because obviously I can't ask like people that move to Thailand. So I'll ask you, why do you want to move to Thailand? Or not Thailand, sorry, just move to a different country and live there. Is it for because like it's cheaper to live and you can like obviously have like £100,000 account and live life, or
The weather is a big factor.
I'm sure weather, yeah, to be fair. I mean, UK weather's been
You
alright
simply
recently.
function better when you're getting sun all the time.
Oh yeah,
Britain,
100%.
you
I
literally
agree.
don't
I
get
agree.
that.
I agree. Yeah, weather, food. You know what? UK's got
What's the food like in Thailand?
a lot of vegetables, I guess.
Fish, surely. A lot of seafood.
If your kids are still young,
End
yeah.
of the week, and you give me an entry. I don't care if I get an entry or not. It's just I'm bored. I'm being
Yeah.
honest. I'm actually
Food is
bored.
really good. Yeah, food is really good. I mean, you went to Pakistan before. I'm sure their food's nice as well.
Yeah, the street food there's amazing. If you go on YouTube, search Pakistan street food, they get millions of views. Like, 'cause everyone loves it.
I mean, food in like Asia is so good that other
That's it, yeah.
countries literally went there to take their food away.
Basically, the whole invasion of India, it was just for the curry. That was it.
It wasn't for the spice. It was for the spices, all right.
It's for the samosas, you know. Spicy, and they use a lot of lime, and it's cheap. Yeah, of course.
Look at that. I mean, if you enter down here, in hindsight, bang. After a fake out, that's why I mean, is with these. Alright, let's see. Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna shoot off in 5 minutes anyway to finish that work off.
There it
I haven't got
is.
much left.
Okay, so gold renew. Waiting for an entry here, but there's not really what entry is there to do. I don't want to do a breakout here. No. No, I'll wait. I secured my bag this week, so I'll wait. Although I may be looking to sell pound soon, like long term. Just hold a sell. Wait for it to go to 0, I reckon. Yeah, there is. There is US. Yeah, there is US news later. Yeah. There is quite a lot actually. Here you go. So we have core retail sales. So in theory, if core retail sales are down, then it should be bad for the US dollar, good for gold, and good for pound USD. If they're good, it's good for the US dollar, so it's bad for GBPUSD and bad for gold. Retail sales are actually the same. This one I have no idea, to be honest. Let me see it. Consumer sentiment. I'm guessing that shows us faith in consumer. I actually don't know this news, and I've never actually read about this news before. It's financial confidence and some leading indicators. It's a leading indicator of consumer spending. Okay, so yeah, as I thought, it is about faith and confidence in I don't know, in retail itself or in the economy itself. So yeah. So that'll be a good one. So it's saying that the confidence has actually gone down, but only a little bit. So it's not too bad. I'm guessing the index or whatever this is up to 100. So it's 58, and not ideal. Anything tomorrow? Uh-oh. Bank of England Government Bailey speaks tomorrow. We'll see a huge move probably on Monday.
Yeah, market open.
Yeah.
Easy stuff.
Bro, every time these people speak, it just crashes, you know?
Yeah, maybe that's the plan. Boom.
Honestly, I don't like to talk about how incompetent the government is because I feel like they make tough decisions, right? But they are very incompetent right now. They're just dumb, man.
The insider trading, bro.
Bro, they are.
100
I don't know how they can be so reckless, though. Like, announcing tax cuts like that and saying that you're not going to decrease government spending and saying you're going to fund an initiative to do fracking and you're saying that you're going to, like, help the people, which is, alright, fair enough, that should be priority, right? Helping people that, you know, to pay for bills and stuff. But, bro, they're doing way too much. Do one at a time, man.
There's a man in a black cloak who tells him what to say.
How's he benefiting from his country being absolutely turned to smoke, though?
Because then people become desperate.
It's not insider trading if you're in the government. It's legal.
What?
It's not insider trading if you're in the government. That's legal.
Isn't that the point?
In the UK, I think the Ministry of Finance or whatever they're called, like, they can insider trade.
They can.
Yeah, they can use the information. Or they
Isn't
can't.
that the whole point of insider trading?
They can't, but like, you can't really prove it. Like, for example, I forgot what her name was, but like she was in the government and her husband was trading, right? And she would tell her husband like what was going on and what's gonna happen in the news ahead of time, and he would trade it, and then like they would make a lot of money, but nothing happened to them.
I mean, yeah, if you can't really prove conversation unless you taped it, and then what if her husband just said he is a trader? Then what can you do, really?
Yeah, well, that's the issue. But insider trading gets caught so many times, though. Like that, it's like it gets caught every day. It's just not televised.
Yeah.
For some reason, if you're in government, if you're in the government, you're fine. For some reason.
I think if you're a little smart about it, you should easily get away with it.
The guy went on Sunday night fueling the market and then crashed it at market open. Yeah, I mean, just not ideal, is it? Government Bailey, bro. It's yeah, it's tough. Again, they have to back. If they don't U-turn, the pound will crash. If they don't U-turn from their policy of taking 45% tax rate off, which it benefits. Never mind. I'm gonna sound selfish there. I was like, I want them to do it, but at the same time, I don't, because I feel like everyone else will 100%. Like it'd be a struggle because inflation's gonna skyrocket. The pound like. Pound itself is gonna devalue so much that like imports coming in will be so expensive. So all the price of goods are gonna be expensive. The cars are gonna be more expensive. Like I don't know. It's
like an unspoken thing that a lot of people know about. No one's mentioning it.
Yeah,
it's coming though. It's now or never, you know.
Yeah, and I think a weaker pound is only beneficial if you're doing exports yourself. I think that's when a weak pound is good. And we don't do exports.
Right, because you're getting other people's currency.
Yes, yeah. And yeah, you're selling your goods for cheaper, which people would want to. That's why I think Japan really wanted their thing to devalue, their currency to devalue at one point. They purposely devalued. And I think they decreased their interest rates because of it or something at one point. Oh, and there is talks of increased interest rates as well. So if interest rates increase, there will be less spending, consumer spending, and less investments into businesses that provide jobs and that provide things. So it's like a huge knock-on effect on the economy, and it's gonna be a horrible time. I don't want to be scaring people, but if this happens, it'll be a horrible, horrible time. I think it'll be a horrible time regardless, but it'll just speed stuff up. So yeah.
All right, I'm gonna shoot off.
All right.
Unfortunately, trade again. I don't think.
Trade. I mean,
I
won't be able to have a trade on, so yeah. I mean, I'll stay on until everyone leaves, but yeah, I don't mind staying on for a bit. It's fine.
Yeah. I'll catch you lot Monday. Enjoy the weekend. Enjoy your food. Enjoy your dinner. Enjoy your meeting.
See you Monday, man. I'll see you Monday. See you in a bit. Enjoy. I'm sure it'll be on live at some point as well. Probably looking at the stream. I don't know. But yeah. Buy a deal. So yeah, well, it's like, I don't know. The government's just been a bit of a techie one. Is that why you want to move to a different country, dude? Wouldn't doubt it. Right, gold. We just need to wait for some sort of confluence here to start pushing the market up, because I really don't want to go against this overall trend on the weekly. Because you can consider this as a lower high. Warm climates, yeah, same. Although I don't like heat waves. What? Don't go against the trend. You think it's gonna fall? Do you think? Yeah, of course. Yeah. I wouldn't trade before news starts. Don't worry. It's just, yeah. I'm looking at this right now, and technically, I mean, you could potentially see this is like, I mean, the weekly close over here. It's not very important of a weekly close. I mean, there was some sort of reaction around this level. You can see right here, but it's not a significant level where it should really realistically hold and reverse from. So that's my thinking, and that's why I'm kind of hesitant to push, to buy. Yeah, for sure. You can do that, because I've got my stop losses are normally like 40-50 pips on gold at least. So like I would normally put it below these structure lows. But the problem is with that though is, yeah, I mean, I'm more of an obvious target when it comes to stop hunts, if you believe in that. But that's just, yeah, it's just it's part of trading, I guess. But yeah, so this is what I'm expecting now. I expect this level to hold now, and this would be the new higher low, and we're probably gonna start rallying higher low, kind of create more of a trend here. This is a bold prediction, by the way. This is like high time frame prediction, and we're gonna probably push past this liquidity zone over here for it to collapse back down, and then dollar probably starts rallying back up again. That's my expectations. Obviously, to each their own. Pound Aussie dollar over here. You can see that's what I was expecting. I don't know if I marked it down. No, I didn't. But yeah, I was expecting price to rally above these levels over here, because you can see there was a major consolidation, major support over here. Major resistance over here. So if price finishes back down below on the daily, expect price to push down on Monday, or even if you use a 4-hour time frame here, that still works because it's still a high time frame. And you could potentially look for price to continue and kind of retrace almost this entire move. Obviously, first targets would be here, second be here, and then yeah, just let it ride until here. My targets overall are here. So, Euro USD. Okay. When you trade Euro USD, do you look at Dixie as well? Just out of curiosity, because that correlation is literally negative. That correlation are insane. Yeah. If I go, oh, it flips them both. There we go. Where is Dixie? Where's Euro USD? There. I'll remove that for now. It's a bit of a distraction. What are you looking for? Euro USD? Yeah, no. I mean, to be fair, correlation is I feel it's a good like, let's go confluence. If the other thing is doing the exact opposite as you're doing, then it's a better trade, I guess. But yeah, you're in a lower time frame, aren't you? Lower-ish time frame, so you're fine. You're fine. What are you looking for your USD? Overall selling? I mean, this doesn't take skill, but yeah, we're at the Euro AUD. Oh. Oh wow. Okay. Started rallying. Yeah, this is like a retracement. This is like what I was looking for, almost. So you can see here that we have a zone here on the weekly time frame, which price has rejected. You know, this was previously support, right? And then it flipped into resistance, and what happened? 3-pin formation, resistance, push down, and we have another 2-pin over here. Breaking that high, grabbing liquidity. We could potentially be ready for the sell. Were you targeting all the way down to these lows, or are you looking for a shorter term? Because in terms of like first take profits, I would probably take the weekly close first. Push up a bit more. Up to where? Because, I mean, if you trade order block on higher time frame, I guess that's a thing there. I don't, but yeah, around 500 pips down. Agreed. Take weekly highs first. I mean, take weekly lows first, weekly close, and then yeah. Hold on. There was a thing on the monthly. See, look, okay, on the monthly, right? Everyone will, you know, I think you were one of them as well. Like, and the deal was telling me that if we flip this level right here on gold, we should be filling the rest of the wick. I had a feeling we wouldn't, because I think it was too obvious. I don't know. It was something about it. I don't know. It was just too obvious for it to happen. So, yeah, I feel like we should still fill all the way down to the weekly close over here. But again, I think before a major move, we need to grab some sort of fuel. I think that's why I'm expecting bullish momentum for gold first before thing. Yeah, I mean, we could still, you know, we could still easily push all the way down quite easily, but yeah, it makes sense. That's why, I mean, I agree with you guys, because it made sense as well. Yeah, pound. I think, yeah, pound USD and Euro USD kind of moving the same right now. You probably, I think pound USD is a bit more prime for selling. I think, yeah, as you said, Euro AUD isn't quite ready yet. Previous monthly high for gold. Potentially, yeah. I think we will. I think we'll take out monthly highs. Just imagine how many buyers are up there, monthly highs, man. Imagine how many. I think the bottom wick was here. Imagine how many sellers were down here. I mean, yeah, they managed to catch like how much? If I can actually get the tool, they managed to catch like 150 pips. So it's pretty good for them. They did alright there. I'm sure they were targeting all the way down to these weekly lows over here. I feel like we would. I feel like we would take previous monthly highs. I know it could potentially, like, you know, start bullish, if we do break the monthly highs. But we're only mid month, right? We could still make a steeper top wick here, still possible, and could go down. It's hard to really predict price action though, because as I said on the yesterday, I think when you're backtesting, especially in trading, you don't really get to see how the thing moves. How the candle moves, so it's a bit it's a bit tougher, but yeah. There's plenty of buy side liquidity up there. I think it's primed for the taking, to be honest. I mean, if we do break and the buyers do end up winning, well, that's fine. They're gonna, you know, rally up, and that's why I don't enter until it confirms to me that it's actually a fake out. That's why I wait for the fake out first, because you could easily just like push up over here, and then boom, all the way up. That's why I always wait for a fake out first. It's just extra confirmation, just like how a deal waits for a break of the lows. That's my entry confirmation. Okay, pound yen. Pound yen, we're about to take liquidity as well over here. They're all moving the same, to be honest, though. We're about to take monthly highs over here as well. My only concern is obviously this wick right here. Look at how much that wick moved to the upside. There's clearly buyers in this market right now. Just grab liquidity here. Yeah, grab liquidity here. And then, yeah, you can see how impulsive that push up was. So it's a little bit scary, I think, selling from here, but I'd still do it. It's, if you look at the overall trend in the market, we are bullish, you could say, if you wanna put it that way. But yeah. To be fair, I look for buy side liquidity to be taken for sells, if that makes sense. Because in my head, okay, so like in order to actually be able to sell a lot, what do we need to do is get loads of buyers. So if we can tap in loads of buyers looking to buy stop up here, then that means we have loads of sellers. So now they can actually fill in our orders to push the downside at more of a discount, basically. That's how I see the market. That's how I see people moving markets, how they would think. Because if it was me, being a rational person, and I have enough money to potentially not control but manipulate the market to some extent, I would obviously take that edge and make the most money as I can by taking these buyers, so there's loads of buy side liquidity, right? So now there's loads of buyers. I can actually start putting my sell positions through at a higher rate, because normally what they would have to do is take buys and then slow down a little bit, take buys and slow down a little bit, take buys, slow down a little bit. But in order to get those vertical moves, they need to get liquidity for the other side. Yeah, I told you last week we were going to take the year highs in reverse, take out the huge sell side. The year? Oh, hold on. Where? I can't do 1 year, excuse me. Oh, I can't. Lol. Okay, so the 1 year is current year, 2022. Whereabouts? Told you I was going to take the year highs. Oh, all the way up here. Oh, GJ. Oh, okay. I was like, what? Hold on. Okay. Yeah. I was like, 2000, bro. Yeah, no, I feel like we would, yeah. I agree with you. Told you last week. No, I 100% agree with you. That's exactly what I'm expecting. Take out these yearly highs, right? And then push back down. Take out these massive... Look at these, how many people looking to trade off this level, buy, sell, whatever. There's loads of people looking to trade off this level. You can tell that with this as well. This wick right here alone. You can see people looking to get involved in that level, whether for better or for worse. You can still say the same for this one as well. Loads of traders looking to get involved here. I feel like, yeah, we could potentially go here. Even potentially tap the view app, maybe. I don't know. I wouldn't use it in this scenario, but we could potentially tap the view app, push back down. That's where I'll be entering my sells. First take profit would be in this liquidity area, because it's, let's be honest, it's like, it's attracted to that level. It's been attracted to that level. Yes. Agreed, yeah. That's exactly what I'm thinking. I'm on the same page as you. Exactly what I'm thinking. Meanwhile, I bet these lot right here looking to just... I mean, they could be right, but I'll say anyways. They're probably looking to buy up all the way up to 185, 1999. It's all about how potentially the next weekly candle... Let's say the weekly finishes bullish and takes out these highs right here. If the next weekly candle finishes below, then that's a good signal for me to start selling the market. Because at that point, we caught a lot of traders looking to, you know, the euphoric traders, the excited traders to break out of this level, because they see, oh, it's a clean range all the way up to like 180. That's a 1,315 pip move. I'm about to make money. So loads of those traders are probably going to enter the market, and then what we'll do is potentially take them all out and be happy. Yeah, I mean it could, yeah. After taking sell side. So you mean like which sell side you're thinking? 145, right? Yeah. No, I mean that could happen, but I'm just very bearish on the pound due to fundamentals, so that's why I'm very like a bit biased, you could say. It could easily go up to 180, to be honest. But right now, I'm very biased on gold. Not gold, on GJ, where I feel like it could potentially retrace all the way down to like pre-Brexit. Because that's basically what's happening. It's like Brexit Part 2, really. So if we can just take this sample size over here, I think this is when Brexit happened, and just apply it to this level, that could potentially what could happen to us. So I mean, kind of like look at that wick. Went down to liquidity over here, I guess. I mean, not exactly the same, I would say, but nah, I'm just making stuff up now at this point. Really, it's just not. It's not the same. It's not the same at all. My only issue is look at that. It didn't actually tap the. It didn't actually grab buy side liquidity up here, which means it could just easily drop. But yeah. I'm just applying previous historical like events to current events because that's kind of what happened. I don't know what happened in 2007. I'm pretty sure it was financial crash in UK. But we could again use that. Let's find out actually. UK 2007 crash. 2007, 2008 crisis. Of course it was. I'm dumb. So yeah, kind of what's happening right now. So you know what? We could even get even lower lows here, which sucks. Definitely sucks. You could get lower lows for the pound here. We haven't dipped below 117 since financial crash. But then again, we haven't, in GU, we haven't been close to 1-to-1 since like 2016. So anything could happen at this point. Look at that, we are so close to 1-to-1 here. You think we're reaching 1-to-1 pound USD? What do you think? Yes or no? Take your answers below. Yeah, this is a bit of a tricky one. I looked at yen. When this sells off, it sells off hard and fast. Yeah. When what sells off? When yen sells off. I looked at yen. When this sells off. So when GJ sells off, it sells off hard and fast. Okay. I don't know what yen. Oh. How'd you look at yen? Bonds, indices, economy. This is a. Oh, yen pairs. Right. Yeah. Yes, yen pairs. They do sell off hard and fast. And like, think about it as well. Economically, yen has just Japan has literally just reopened fully as well. Yeah, like all this move, it literally just looks like it's just been drifting. That's it. It literally doesn't look like it's been doing much. And yeah, okay. Well, this one was a bit more aggressive. This one was, I mean, it was consolidating an aggressive push, but I just noticed as well, Head and Shoulders pan traders. Oh my goodness, they are living from all the way up here. But no, yeah, if you think about economically as well, Japan has just opened fully, right? And so like their economy is obviously going to get a bit of a boost now. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking as well. So yen going up and pound government and politics going down the, down the hole here, down the drain here. It's just going to be a recipe for disaster here. But I feel like everyone already knows that, and I think everyone has the idea in their head, and that's why I feel like we need to take out these traders over here first. Because you think about it, there's probably loads of sellers around this level as well. Yen usually in market crash and recession. What do you mean yen is normally in a market crash or recession? Like, as in Japan or currency? Oh, yen is usually good and usually safe haven. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. As I was talking to Deal about it. Yeah. So when there is uncertainty in the market, they know, like, traders, yeah, would normally put it in a safe haven like the dollar or you know, or Japan or Japanese yen. So yeah, definitely, there's so many confluences are stacked into it. But as I said, it's so much. There's so many people that are probably thinking the same thing as us. That's why I feel like, you know, there's not only buyers up here. Okay, there's not only buyers up here. There's also sellers looking to sell the market and potentially call the top, and early sellers. I mean, right? So what we could potentially do is take them out, and the stop loss would be here. Even getting more buying orders in order to actually execute the shorts for big traders. TV traders, lol. Exactly. TV traders. Bro, these people right here. Right there. These people, man. They're about to get caught out massively. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking. That's my thought. And that's what I mean by, like, I don't just look at technicals. I look at how the market thinks and the psychology of certain traders. I'm actually a Jedi, believe it or not. I can read the minds of people. No. Yeah, it's, I don't know. I feel like taking into consideration what people are thinking, I think is quite important. If you think about it, they are the ones technically pricing in a certain asset. So if you know how they think, then you could be winning life here. We haven't finished above this level though, in ever. So we could see a lot of buyers getting up here, pushing price up, you know, as we wanted. And Monday, start of Monday, bro. Tuesday, I think it's gonna be a big one if we can get that daily, you know, that daily close on the bottom. Big move. I mean, for the first target, like the bottom of this range, right? It's already 761 pips. Like, imagine you're swinging this. Imagine you get like a deal stop loss here, right? 3 pips stop loss, and then like you just take it all the way down to 376 pips, 769 pips. I mean, that's crazy. Yeah, FTMO is not gonna pay you. I don't think. I think FTMO will want to pay you. Let me put my level back up. 168 is the level, or you can say 169. Nah, let's go 168. Did you catch Raja's stream yesterday, by the way? How he traded CPI? Because if you did, I saw the rundown of it, and that was crazy. It was a good gamble, to be honest. Like, and he said it was a gamble, so it was a really good gamble. He made $21,000 in 3 seconds because of CPI. Yeah, it was a big dub for him, to be fair. Big dub. I mean, you can see how gold moved, right? So you know how he trades news. He trades news in a way where it's more of a 50-50 split gamble. I mean, I'm not against it. I'm not trying to throw shit at him. But so basically what he did was he put shorts in this candle low. Yeah, he's winning. So like, yeah, you can't knock the guy. Candle lows over here. So at this level, I think 1245, 130. Hit this one right here. This candle. He was waiting for a break down below. He had sell limits over here, and then he had buy stops up here and sell limits in the bottom. And you can see what happened here. He literally just sold, and you know how quickly he takes his profit. Because if you look at the 1 minute. No, 1 minute over here. Right there. You can see how much that moved in a minute. 80 pips, 100 pips in a minute. That's 21 grand for him. Yeah, exactly. He just took this out. He was in drawdown for 5k for a split second because of like spread. He got entered in the spread. But yeah, overall it was a mad one. Fair play to him, man. Big W. some part of me wish I didn't move it to break even, right? Obviously, the hindsight trader in me is saying, oh, I wish I didn't move it to break even here because I would have managed to secure loads of profit over here. But at the same time, it could have went exactly the opposite way for me. And I wasn't looking at a chart at the time, so it could have went the opposite way and went like this and tapped me out. So I'm glad, but at the same time, I'm not glad. Yeah, I was in shorts. Yeah, I was in shorts from, let's get the 30 minutes so it's easier for me to see. I was in shorts from around, where was it? I can't. Oh, from around here. This candle wick right here. So I took shorts here. Was in a bit of drawdown here around this level, and as soon as it reached this level, I was in a bit of profit because I had sell side liquidity forming down here on the lower time frame. I moved to break even. My break even was around obviously here. My stop loss was here, so almost got tapped out, but not quite. And then yeah, pushed all the way down. If you look at another like broker as well, I would have been easily tapped out because look at this, okay? My structure high would have been here, okay? So I would have put my stop loss up here, and look at how much of a dickhead that would have been. Some of the brokers, man, they need to sort their data out, because that's a huge difference. Like, you know, taking out these structures highs and lows, that's a huge difference. That's where people put their stop losses. Yeah, it's crazy, man. That broker, let's find out. They are. Hold on. Let's settings. Forex.com, I think. This one is, I think it's a Wanda. This one's a Wanda. I use a Wanda more. Yeah, a Wanda. Yeah, they really manipulated that. Yeah, FXCM. They're not. I don't know if they're deliberately doing it or it's just their infrastructure's worse than Wanda, but yeah, it just seems a bit manipulated in my opinion. That's just not ideal. I can understand some sort of like, you know, thing, but the thing is they're the same price though. 1684 was the highest here, 1686 is the highest, and here it's 1682. Whoa, that is not the same price. Okay. Yeah, I didn't understand how much of a broker, like the thing you know, trading and trading view. I didn't know how much difference it was until I saw this. I thought people were just saying that just to, you know, as an excuse, but no, it actually does make a huge difference here. Huge difference. Can't trust brokers, man. They're out here to take your money and that's it. They don't care about the traders themselves. Yeah, huge difference. I mean, they gotta make their money somehow, I guess, but I don't know. Yeah, exactly. That is a winning or losing trade. That is. It's either you make break even, or like you win, or you just completely get clapped, or you get hunted, basically. I don't think FTMO does that, but yeah, I haven't got tapped out by FTMO, so. You know, I'm gonna make my own broker. It seems like everyone that does streaming ends up making their own broker, so one day I'll make my own broker too. We'll make our own broker, Enigma trading platform. That'd be how do you even run a brokerage, man? Need to find out. And it's gonna be flipped. Everything's gonna be flipped, so it's gonna look like this instead. That's how you're gonna see the broker. Everything's upside down. Seems like everyone just wants to make their broker, because I think it might be easy money. I don't know. Could be. Potentially. I don't know. Potentially. Seems like it. Remember this story when Nu's the only one watching. The MVP. But yeah. As I said, I'll stay on until you are, and then I'll shoot off as well because I can't find the trade. It's just we've been cutting like streams so short recently, and I feel like it's not good for scheduling, you know. So yeah. That's fine, bro. That's calm. I'll end the stream here. Thank you for watching, man. Honestly, appreciate you. Appreciate you always. Thanks for coming down. Alright, I'll see you on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye.